This video demonstrates how to remove the Stay Signed In prompt that is displayed when logging into Office 365 applications. When clicking on an Office 365 application such as Word, PowerPoint, or Excel, there is a Stay Signed In prompt on the Microsoft login page. To remove this prompt, log into the Microsoft Azure Admin Active Directory Admin console and select the User Settings option. Edit the user settings, set the option for Show Keep User Signed In to No to hide this option from users, and click Save. You will see a message indicating the user settings were successfully updated. Refresh the browser and confirm that the setting Show Keep User Signed In is now set to No. To verify this prompt no longer displays, refresh the user's Okta dashboard and click on any Office 365 application. The Stay Signed In prompt that was displayed before when logging into the Office 365 application has been successfully removed. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to us on YouTube.